The Crafty Art Show has invited Katie to make and sell her famous decorative plates. She molds the plates out of clay and then paints them. Katie uses 2 pounds of clay per plate. There is a proportional relationship between the number of plates Katie makes, X, and the amount of clay she uses in pounds, Y. Graph this relationship. Select 2 points to draw a line. Well, if Katie doesn't make any plates, then she doesn't use any clay. So I'm going to use 0, 0 as a point. No clay, no plates, no weight. Now, if she makes 1 plate, see, 1 plate, she uses 2 pounds. Now look, we have a line. And this line is connected, or this line has a slope, and we've only used 2 points to generate this line. A line only needs 2 points. A straight line only needs 2 points. Now, I want us to pay very close attention to the graph that we drew. And I want you to notice a few things. First, I want us to pay attention to the slope that is created. Now, there's more than just one good point on this graph. I'm going to draw a few more. So there's one here, which makes sense because it said for every single plate, she uses 2 pounds. So that makes sense. 2 plates, 4 pounds. 3 plates, look, 6 pounds. 4 plates, 8 pounds. 5 plates, 10 pounds. Okay. Now, what you should notice is a pattern. There's a pattern here. So, every time I have a good point, from my last good point, remember slope is rise over run, so I found 2 points. So my rise, which is my y-axis, so I'm going to say, I'm going to do change in y over change in x. And if you notice, my rise is 2, and my run is 1. And 2 over 1 equals 2. Or, going back to what it said, 2 pounds of clay per plate. But I also want to show you this. If I connect different points, so let's say I'm going to use this point 0, 0 down here, and I'm going to go and connect it up here. Now I want us to pay attention to this triangle. This triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's 1, 2, 3. Remember, slope is rise over run. 6 divided by 3 also equals 2. I'm wondering if I can connect any point on this graph. So let me use a different color. Let's pick this one right here. And I just want to show you, it does not matter which direction you draw this triangle. And I'm going to pick this point up here as well. And I'm going to connect my 2 dots. I'm not an artist. So we're going to pretend I'm drawing a straight line. Okay, there we go. All right, remember, slopes rise over run. So my rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my run is 1, 2, 3, 4. And 8 divided by 4 also equals 2. So needless to say, what this should show us is that no matter where we are on the graph, our slope is the same. For a straight line, the slope remains constant. We connected the black, and we got 2. We connected the red to 2 good points on our line, and we got 2. We connected the green to 2 good points on our line, and we got 2. So the proportion remains the same.